Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you guys in this video how we can go ahead and upload a file into our SharePoint site. Now, this is my example SharePoint site, and you can see off to my left here, we have our navigation and I have documents. Now, this is where I want to head to, but let's say that documents option isn't in the navigation on the site. Assuming you have the correct permissions to be able to upload and view files and all that good stuff, if you come over to the cogwheel, the site settings, and then go over to site contents, you should be brought to a view that looks similar to... Taking a moment to load. It looks similar to this. And then from here, you just have to navigate to the spot that you're trying to upload the file. So for this user, they wanted to go into documents. They wanted to go to an employee roster. And from here, they can go ahead and upload the file. Now, there's two different ways that we can upload. You can come over here and click on upload, then go to files, and then upload your file. So we'll give that a second. Or you can just drag and drop it from your computer, and you'll see it appear here in a second. So you have two different ways that you can upload files onto your SharePoint site.